Yo, Postmodern, get him. Yeah, only fitting, right? This beat, he can just flow on for days instead of the maze. Just wait till he hits the stage. And yes, shit, get the camera out. Rapping this shit is what he be all about. It's only fitting, and it's horrible that he was writing out when he went to Florida, so now he's coming out. Yes, he's heading north. He be about the sauce, get him, and he's going gorging his own portion when he's on coasting, and he's going on the road, and the flow don't stop him when he's going, man, he getting hotter. And yes, he's going up north to Atlanta. Yes, that will be in Georgia when I'm gorging, just a portion, moving ocean east to western, cause I'm flowing, got the bestin' cause I'm cruising. Yes, 75 now, I'm on the speed in the slow lane, getting past how why with the semi-truck heaviness in my weight. I got it all lifting, this is just Joe's Escape. Oh, and it's J-O-E still with the average in front of it, but please believe it will be moving to the PMC. That's Postmodern Comic for those who need it, and I got a lot for it, with a lot of flow that fit inside your back pocket, where your wallet be when you shot call it. He is the type of one who flows until he's never done. Yes, and he goes into infinity, the sign tattooed on his back. Now when you hear the background, yes, and it's a lot of class sky moving skyline. When you hear the buildings moving, he likes to go and cruise it and just pursue it with all his passion, because he's got a lot of that inside his heart, his energy, chakra symbol, and it got a lot of aura. When he goes and feel it, it's like find a quarter, sorta, cause it's that lucky, like finding $50 on the street, man. And that shit, I wish we could get something to eat, cause I'm kinda hungry, my tummy. Average Joe been eating rice for 3 weeks straight. Believe that, and it's true, he need that food to get in his system, just to get the words to move you. Shit, and he's got a lot of gratitude to give. Thanks for Lucky Stars for letting him live. It's true, that's what he does, and he does. He's got a lot of lips and catch 22. And what? And did I do? And yes, I'll tell you, yup, I got a lot of butt. I finished Naked Lunch, the book, the novel, I called it 1984 by George Orwell. I got it, and now what he's doing, he's on the fence type of thing. He just likes to, with his words, start referencing everything that he's been going through is true. He's on the move, it's Joe, he's coming to you on YouTube. I think that might be cliche, kinda like tripping, stumbling like Macy Gray. So yeah, I'm on Atlanta, it's Savage Joe. Just thought I'd rap, you know. I'm gonna go see Kanon. If you haven't heard about Kanon, check him out. Hot shit from Somalia. And what else? Ultra is sick. Florida's cool. It's hot and humid. Bye.